kids.
Hey.
Sorry I'm not here again. I'll be back Monday.
Me too.
So you're going to do a practice test to get you ready for your test, which is going to be in about a week and a half. And this practice test, you get to see the triathlons that I did last year. You did them with me.
In spirit.
No, he didn't.
I did.
All right, so I like to use my Apple Watch to record my workouts. I did last year at least, but now I have my Garmin watch.
Ooh,
fancy. And I did 2 triathlons. I did one September 28th in Malibu, and I did another triathlon on October 24th. And it started at Venice Beach, and then I went all the way to downtown LA, and I did my run in downtown LA. Now, when I use my Apple Watch, I record my heart rate. So you can see that this is the swim. So when you do a triathlon, you start with a swim. My average heart rate was 150 beats per minute. Then I did a bike ride. So this is along the PCH down to Malibu. My average heart rate was 139. And then I did the run. The run was at Zuma Beach, and my average heart rate was 167 beats per minute.
wow.
When I did the Herbalife triathlon, I swam down by Venice Beach. My heart rate was 146. For the bike ride, it was also 146. And then for the run, which was in downtown LA, my heart rate was 153 beats per minute. He's not very active in this video today.
Good job.
So I had a question after I did my triathlons. I was wondering which exercise makes the mitochondria in my cells create the most energy per minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to use my heart rate data from up here to help us figure that question out. So you're going to type my heart rate data into this data table. So for example, for the swim in Malibu, my heart rate is 150. So I'm going to type it here. So this is average heart rate for Malibu triathlon. Here is the swim. And I say 150?
150.
150. And then you're going to continue to type in all the heart rate datas. So for the bike ride in Malibu, it was 139. Once you have that data typed in, you can look at the double bar graph that I made for you. You can see the Malibu triathlon is the orange, and the Herbalife triathlon, which was from Venice to downtown LA, is, what color would you call that?
That's definitely a dark orange.
It's brown. I don't know, kids. What do you think? It's more of a brown, I would say.
Bronze.
Bronze. All right. So after looking at the bar graph data, now you're going to create a claim evidence reasoning. So remember, my question was, which exercise makes the mitochondria in my cells create more energy per minute? The introduction is already filled out for you. So you just have to answer the claim. There's a sentence starter for you. It is claimed that. The evidence from the data is, you just have to finish that sentence. And then the longest part is the reasoning. You can see the first sentence is already given for you. The evidence suggests that Miss Demuse's mitochondria had to produce the most energy during the, just have to put your answer here. The reason the evidence supports the claim is because to help you answer that question, I have vocabulary words over here on top of our head, under our heads. You're going to try to use as many of these vocabulary words as you can. I want you to think about the group model that you made in class to help you, and you can use your notebook to help you as well. As you use each word, you're going to highlight it in the paragraph so you can kind of keep track of how many you've used. Is there anything you'd like to add?
Nope. That's it.
Just here.
Just for the
just
good vibes.
Hovering over my shoulder. If you want to see pictures of me doing the triathlon, you can click on this link. It's not that exciting though. Okay, bye kids.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which will not be called Science Geeks.
Yeah.
It might be called One Take Science.
We need better suggestions.
Yes.